In this video tutorial, I'm going to share too on how you can change the keyboard language on your Windows. So let's get started. So currently I just have this English United States and English Philippines. So let's add Filipino into this keyboard language or any language that you want. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on time and language. And here you can find language and region. Click on that. Here you'll find preferred languages. Click on this add a language button. So I'm going to search for Filipino. In your case, you just need to simply choose the language that you want to add into your keyboard or change your language into, okay? So I'm just going to click on it and click on next. Click on install. And now we have this one from here. So currently this is downloading and installing. So let's just wait in a while. So once this is done, then you just have to simply close this. And here in the switch input methods right here on the taskbar, click on that and you'll find Filipino. So click on that new language that you have added. And now let's try. Let me open on screen keyboard. Click on it. And now as you can see, the language has been changed to Filipino. So we have right here, instead of options in English, it turned to mga option in Filipino. So that's it. That's how you can easily change the keyboard language on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.